Martyna, and I'm the head of Faculty of Social Sciences and Humanities in Access Courses Online. Our faculty covers courses such as psychology, social science, humanities, public service and policing, as well as social work. When creating our courses, we had one ultimate goal in mind. We wanted to create programs that are specifically designed to the particular needs of adult learners. We know that coming back to education after some time is a big step. Therefore, we want to build your confidence. We will start by something called the induction process. During the time, you will complete your first 6 credits of the course while improving your studying skills and your writing skills so that you're confident and prepared to complete the assignments in the following units of the course. Secondly, we understand that support is an extremely important element of your success. Throughout the course, you will be a member of our online community of faculty, students, and teachers. This is an online supportive community where people motivate each other, where we answer the questions you may have academically or otherwise. We all work together so that everybody can have a successful journey with us.